Hey guys, what's going on? It's the TheBattleCats Legend here again, and I have decided to do a quad upload. Now, not many, a couple of YouTubers that I know of do this, but they're like, freaking like millions watch them. But right now, I have nothing better to do right now, so I'm actually deciding to um just do this. Alright, and today I am going to be going up on Jamaica. I will put a speed up on there because I do not exactly like doing this without that because it's just annoying. So, oh my god. It's actually a really awesome statue. I really like the art in this game, actually. Alrighty, so it looks like we are beating them pretty badly right now. What boss do they have? I don't even know. Look, sorry if this is like way too loud. Sorry if it was way too loud. It was like right next to my mouth mic, so. Jeez. Dude, my guys are just demolishing. Oh my god. Just send out that thing. Jesus, no boss? Wow. Alright, normal steel beans. That's probably browns. Ooh, new cat. Karate cats, please. Yes, Kung Fu Cat. Fudge, yeah. But that's so much. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. Oh, wait. While I was in upgrade. Oh, hey, it was silver. So while I was in there, I have noticed that I can upgrade my Titan Cat. So now I have a Titan Cat level 9. So 50,030. Then we can get it. The mythical Titan Cat. Columbia. Cool. Columbia. And I know that I'm probably gonna get asked this in my like, it's not like necessarily a Q&A. It's like a get to know me, but I know that I'm gonna be asked like where are my origins from, like where am I from? Like I'm born and raised in Illinois, and I'm German and Greek. So that's why I was pretty sad to conquer up Germany. But then again, it's just a game, so. I don't think that I had. Oh, dude, I had to take down both of my places. Dang. I had to take down Greece. I just noticed that. Alrighty, there's probably, most definitely, a boss on this level. So I'm gonna stop sending them out right now. I think I have a decent enough army currently. And I'm going to save up for my Titan Cat. Dude, Titan Cat is so awesome. And probably I'm gonna say the easiest way to know where your cats are lined up do it from the least expensive to the most expensive. So my bottom is my most expensive, my top is my least expensive. So it makes it a lot easier that way. There's my Titan cat. And ooh, are we gonna get it down already without a boss? Sorry. But anyways, like, if you guys don't like this game, then that's completely fine with me. But I was pretty much like just shown this last week by my friend. Whoa, what did I thought that I did something and I was like, what did I do? Okay, so we're gonna use another speed up on Brazil. And let's do this. So if you guys didn't know, you can speed that up and toggle it off and on. I think that's really useful. The speed up. I have often got asked what this guy is that I just bought. He's actually the ninja cat. I've gotten often asked by friends of mine. And they're like, what's that? And it's the ninja cat. It's pretty good. Wait, is this even legal? No. Back off, back off. Back, you heinous beast. Yes. Stupid. I'm just so concentrated right now. Oh, no. Not a Mooth. No, not a Mooth, not a Mooth. Guys, if you don't know what a Mooth is, they're freaking hard. I'm sick of Mooths, dude. I was at my friend who showed me this house yesterday, or this game yesterday, and fudge, dude. Is it impossible to freaking kill? Like, I don't know how many. Oh, never mind. But, like, it's so hard when there's so many of them. So I was doing his level 3 moon. Or, not level 3 moon, world 3 moon. Oh my god. I got so close to beating it. But, I failed. We still can't beat it. It's really hard. So, yeah, I was just checking to see if it was actually recording. Because I swear, sometimes when I find out that it's actually not recording, I get so mad. Now, I've come up with a time for when I'm going to do the Get to Know Me. And it won't be today. I will tell you guys that. It will not be today. Definitely not today. Alright, so I'm going to end it off here because I can't do this guy again. Don't want to do Colombia. And, anyways, I'm going to end it off here.